Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change the profile picture of widget. Now if you want to change the profile picture of Locket widget but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket widget app on your device. So if you don't know where to install it from, you must simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And after that you just need to open the Locket widget app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So this is the page where you'll be landed on the Locket Widget app, and from here you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very top left, and here you'll see your username and the things which you have done on the May and all of it. So to change your profile picture, click on the option of your name, and here you'll see the option of choose from library or take a photo. So you may simply select the option which you think is suitable for you. I'll simply click on the option of choose from library, and from here you just need to scroll down and you just need to select the photo which you want to keep it as your profile picture. So after selecting the photo, click on the option of save at the very bottom of it, and after a few minutes the photo will be uploaded. So as you can see, this is my new profile photo. So that's it. That's how you can change your profile picture on the Locket Widget app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.